Welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually doing something special. I have my son here who is actually excited about his YouTube debut. So we're going to do an unboxing video today. And you see that we're in different clothing. We're just filming a different day. He's wearing his Rudy shirt from Klowns from Outer Space, if that kind of hints at what we're unboxing. It is going to be an unboxing video, if you don't know from the title, for the animatronic for Shorty from Klowns from Outer Space, which is his favorite movie.
I love it.
So we're going to do an unboxing video. He's going to pretty much tell you how to build it. He wanted to do this. This is on his own accord, so I told him he can do it on my channel because, you know, he's still too little for his own YouTube channel, so we're going to just do it that way. And then maybe if you guys like it, we can do some more in the future, maybe next year or whatever. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video, and just let me know if you have any comments in the, you know, any questions or comments, and I can ask my son and he can answer them for you because he knows pretty much the entire movie from beginning to end. So, alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing video, and I hope you enjoy.
Today we are going to do an unboxing video of the Spirit Halloween exclusive Shorty Animatronic for 2021.
Go ahead.
You cut the tape. Yeah. Box this. Really big. There's a big screw. Really big. Can't get that. We have his gigantic head. If I can get it. No, I don't. Here's the instructions. Jeez, this is bigger than I thought.
Show the face to the camera.
It is.
Get closer. Oh, go down. There.
Got his collar. It's like latex, the head.
I think it's plastic, Pico.
No, it's latex. It's all squishy. Have his boxing glove. There goes the mechanism. Let's get the mechanism. Nope, I can't get it. Another shoe. And a boxing glove. I thought someone said this was bendy. Do that. Then we have the other boxing glove. If I can get it, just stuck.
So go ahead and pull these arms, and then you can pull.
Here's another boxing glove, and then we have the other arms. Jeez, this is big. There's that. Then we have his leg pulls. We have the mechanism. It's huge. Pretty heavy. Other weight. Then we have the adapter. And then the hip loop is like stuck to the, yep, they're stuck together with the base. Oh, they're zip tied together. There's the base and the hip loop. Now the arm just got on there. We're setting it up now, so we're gonna snap lock the poles.
Watch your fingers. Dad, watch your fingers.
into the base. There. Then gonna slide the shoes down. There. Then what we're gonna do is gonna slide the clothes.
Don't you have to put the mechanism on first?
No.
Mhm.
Okay.
And then you can't get the.
This one? Oh, actually not. We can get it over the hole.
Just take your time.
Okay.
Do you need help?
Okay.
Easy. Just take your time.
Need to get all the way down. There you go. Now, what you're gonna do next is get the mechanism. I think. Which way
Careful
is
not
it?
to drop it. The speaker's facing.
Speakers facing forward.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Careful not to drop it, Pico.
I'll have. So push down those.
Oh, get that one set.
Get them both set first.
Up.
Set them. Here. Okay. Like that. Ah, here we go.
Watch your fingers, Peaks.
Mechanism down. You're gonna slide the hip loop over the
Careful, Pico.
mechanism.
Need help?
This will slide it this way.
I know, but you gotta take your time so that you can get it over nice. And the
then-
prongs go in that back part, right?
Yeah, and you slide it through 2 holes on the back.
There you go.
There we go. Now
Looks a
what you're
little
gonna do?
crooked.
Huh?
Push it. Like the loop looks higher. Or is it supposed to be like that?
It's supposed to be like that.
Okay.
And what you're gonna do next is you're gonna slide the clothes up
How much of that?
and oh no, we forgot to untie the wire.
Okay.
Then slide the clothes up and over until it reaches the shoulder piece and attach the wires from the sensor to the mechanism.
Wait.
The wire sensor, you're gonna you're gonna slide up which hands you want to go with, the boxing gloves or the regular hands. I prefer the boxing gloves because it looks pretty cool. Now what you're gonna do is gonna slide it up and over till you get into the mechanism. Like that. You're gonna slide it into there. Okay.
There's
Now,
one.
You're gonna do it the same with the other arm. Okay, so once you have the arms all set, we're gonna place the head onto the body. Okay. And here we go. And then do that. So the detail on him is really cool. I love him. It's really cool. The detail on his face looks really movie accurate. And as boxing gloves, this can also be turned into regular hands. You can change them if you want. And this is him. This is pretty cool.
What's your favorite scene in the movie?
Probably when the bikers mess with him.
And he knocks his block off?
Yes. If you haven't seen Killer Klowns in Outer Space, I suggest you should watch it. It's really funny.
And it's super 80s.
Yes, it was made in 1988. And there's like 40-something clowns. And yes.
That's your favorite one?
Yes, and I'm going to be him for Halloween. So I showed you, compared his face with my mask I got from Spirit Halloween. They look alike, but like inside of the animatronic's mouth is all like red and this one's all black. And there is a full mask that you can get at Spirit Halloween. Just looks like him. And here he is. He is $219. I pre-ordered him online, and I was really happy.
There.
And thank you, my mom and my dad, for pre-ordering this animatronic. He's really cool. Oh yeah, forgot the detail on the hands is really movie accurate too. And yeah, here it is. And
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. It's very different from what I usually film. I mean, I do like Halloween, you guys know this, so definitely something different. My son really was excited about his animatronic, and he's been actually watching a lot of YouTube videos of unboxing, and he wanted to do it himself, so that's why I had him guest star or guest appear on my channel, so that way he can kind of show you how to build the animatronic, as well as his excitement of building it and his making the character come alive. And he knows pretty much the whole ins and outs of the animatronic. So do you have anything to say?
I don't know.
Anyways, my son is 9, so he's a huge horror fan. We're the type of parents that just let him, you know, pretty much like, he understands it's not real. So I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you let your kid watch horror movies? I'm like, he knows it's not real. And honestly, like, we're a family that just likes weird things. I mean, I love Halloween. I've always loved Halloween. I grew up on loving Halloween because my mom loved Halloween. My daughter likes anime. My husband likes horror movies. He loved horror movies when he was younger, and then also, like, you know, we're just a family that likes different things, not your typical family, so that's why I wanted my son to enjoy doing this unboxing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to let me know what you guys thought about the unboxing video, and if you guys wanted us to do maybe next year future Halloween themed videos like that, just let me know. Or even, like, you know, just decor videos that, like, I don't know, any ideas I would appreciate. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.